As a designer, I believe I'm curious in how to combine materiality and functionality in a simplistic way. I would say I'm very detailed and I'm I would call myself as a perfectionist in a good way. I'm very strong-minded when it comes to design because it means a lot to me. As a person, I'm a bit shy, but I think the design helps me to become the person who I want to be, so to say. I speak through my designs. I think what motivates me is when I see something and I think I can actually make a difference here. I can do something here, and I want to do that. That's where it clicks.